Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And take advantage of the fast and free shipping. We're in the holiday mix now, guys. Now's the time to start thinking of other people what to buy them and buy yourself something this year. And here we go. Let's see what this could be. Oh boy. Drop you guys down. This is coming from good old MeshForce. This is an additional mesh Wi-Fi dot plug. I did an unboxing of the mesh normal ones. This is a plug. It extends up to like 1,000 feet or 8,000 square feet coverage. So with a maximum of 6 mesh dots. That is compatible with MeshForce M1 and M3 system, so that's perfect for me. So I got the M1 system. Product is an add-on device and cannot be used as a main mesh point. Yep, that's all I need. Okay, here we go. So in order to have these running, you gotta have the mesh point cube. I think it's over there. If you guys can see it, the white one. It's that little white one right there in the middle. So, zoom. There we go. There we go. And cut here. Take a look at this thing. I'll plug it in, test it out. And I'll put you guys on pause because I gotta use my program on my phone that I have recording. So, there's an app to download it and stuff like that. So, but you're gonna need one of those cubes. The mesh cubes, I call it. You're gonna definitely need one of those to get this going. So, but I got like 3 of those MeshForce dots. This is the first one I have this because my camera by my garage keeps cutting out, so I need a little booster for that one. Just weird, my side camera right by my door works perfectly, but the one almost next to it, so I mean it works but just cuts out. Now we go get one of these, but these would be perfect for like game rooms if you have it downstairs in your basement or wherever you have your setup at now, like gym. You can have it in your garage. Plug this in at the outlet. So that's what it looks like. Mesh. Nice black design, I like this. And there's nothing on the back. QR code to scan it. Landline you could have. Oops. Trying to do this fast. Got a lot of unboxings to do today. The MeshForce guide, simple as that. Power button, indicator in case you lose your instructions. Here it is. Plug the M3 dot. Before adding, alright, I already did that. See, that's a main mesh point. And plug the M dot. Go to the mesh point app. Add mesh. Scan QR code to the label. Okay, so that is pretty simple. And okay. I'll be right back, guys. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. Got it plugged in. Right there. Everything works. Just perfect. So get them now. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good weekend.